Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will be doing another example of picture description of an object to help you to get a thorough understanding of picture description. Dear students, do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is a tiger. Its color is brown. It has four paws. It is a wild animal which lives in jungle. It is very strong. Dear students, hopefully you understand how to describe an object or a picture. Now your home task is to select an object of your choice. Say 4 to 5 sentences about the object. Make a video of yourself and share it in the class WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.